My name is Jason Tuvia and wanted to talk about a new 5-unit brand new construction listing just south of USC. The property has an incredible unit mix of 2 4-bedrooms, 2 3-bedrooms, and a 2-bedroom ADU unit. The property is well priced at $2,475,000, which is under $500,000 a door, and a good price point for new product, especially in such a core location. What I really like about this location is it's just south of USC, right next to the BMO Stadium, the Coliseum, and a bunch of museums. The immediate neighborhood is getting a ton of new investments, such as the George Lucas Museum, among others. Once the units are leased up, the property will be cash flowing at over a 6 cap on current numbers, which is very good in comparison to everything else on the market, especially for new product. The block itself has 4 new construction projects showing the strength of the neighborhood, including the next door neighbor that is an escrow for over $3 million and also a 5-unit. What's exciting about this listing is it's free from rent control and a brand new product in an area that's seeing a ton of investment and development.